Hey, Overland Travel Adventurers, we're here at the Ferrari Museum. The Museo Ferrari is absolutely incredible. You'll love visiting this. It's worth the price of admission. It is an absolute jewel fest. You get to see some of the finest examples of what Ferrari has made through the years, and you get to see their racing heritage and their trophies and all of that. It is just spectacular. And even if you're not into cars, I mean, Italian design, Ferrari design is something to marvel at. It's absolutely beautiful.